Hi all. Today, NetLAS has a new way to use it, a plugin for Google Chrome. In this short video, I'll show you how to set it up and use it. So, the first thing to do is enter your API key. You can find it on the web version of NetLAS, in the Profile section. Just copy it. Open Plugin Settings, and paste it. Then click on the Save button. Refresh the page. Now you can use the plugin from your own account. The plugin has two modes of working: Default Logo and Smart Logo. Let's look at the functionality of the first one. Let's test it on the NetLAS website. Click on the plugin icon, and you will see two tabs. They contain information about the IP address and domain name. It displays open ports, information about the provider, its location, subnet, and much more. If we open the Domain Name tab, we will see its responses, when hovering over which the plugin shows the installed services. Also important is the View on NetLAS.io button. It redirects to the NetLAS page corresponding to the investigated IP or domain. So, having found an interesting site while surfing the global network, you can study it in more detail at any time. Now I will show you the second mode of operation. To activate it, let's go back to the settings and enable Smart Logo. It is important to note that this mode only makes sense if your subscription has CVE views available on NetLAS. Otherwise, you will waste your NetLAS coins. What is the main functionality of Smart Logo? Now, when this mode is enabled, the plugin will passively examine every site you visit and change the color of its icon depending on whether it is potentially vulnerable to any of the CVEs in the NetLAS database. While preparing for the video, I found site in NetLAS which potentially vulnerable to old CVE. Now I will open it and suggest you pay attention to the logo color. As you can see, the color changed. Now let's look at the response. We can see that the plugin also demonstrates which specific response is potentially vulnerable. So, you will know what to avoid when you surf the web. Our short video comes to an end. Now you know about a new way to use NetLAS, in the form of a browser plugin. This is our first experience in this field, but not the last. Ahead of you is also waiting for a plugin for Firefox. Until then, I say goodbye to you. Good luck.